Welcome to the launch of the Namaste IIHM Hospitality GPT. I think I must take this opportunity to congratulate IIHM, the team, Sanjay's team, the country, India, because they've also shown that we are capable of doing things which people think we can't. And of course, the entire hospitality industry who had been waiting to see the product and been a huge supporter of IIHM for the last 34 years. I think this is the time that we believe in our mission statement, which has two very important words. One is innovation, one is creativity. And today is another great example of how IIHM comes out of the traditional hospitality education to innovative education backed by the AI, backed by technological emergence, and the industry is absolutely ready to accept it. That's very important. I've been talking with my industry friends for last few months, and they all are waiting this to happen.
Wishing team IIHM all the very best for Namaste AI rocks. Team IIHM rocks. Wish you all the very best.
Auspicious day as it's been the launch of Namaste GPT. It's very exciting.
Great benefits using this hospitality GPT, and there's no greater roof than India that everything could start. So I'm very happy because I know most of you, so I'm very proud of you and what have you achieved.
Indeed, it's a great pleasure to be a part and to be associated with I think I should say the leading hospitality educator in Asia, if I may say so. And I believe that this new platform will provide so much benefits for the students, for the professors, for the teachers, as well as the industry alike, in order to stay abreast with what is going on and what is needed.